The Naval Boat Building Yard of Sri Lanka Navy at SLN Thakshila in Welisara is the premier boat building yard of Sri Lanka Navy. It has established an enviable reputation for its ability to deliver improvised GRP vessels and to construct vessels for a wide variety of customers. Of equal significance, its products have been battle-proven and has held the primary role to safeguard the territorial waters of motherland. This facility was established on 4th of February 2000, under the name Inshore Patrol Craft Construction Project, as a self-reliant and indigenous solution to meet the requirement of construction of small attack craft to counter the LTTE swarming tactics. Extensive use of Cedric boats and Wave Rider inshore patrol craft, built by the Inshore Patrol Craft Construction Project, with lower profile, greater speed, superior maneuverability, high firepower and ultra-shallow water operating capability has proved vital in winning the battles at sea. The concept of the small boat operations is based on swarming tactics, in which a group of small boats operating as a swarm confronts enemies' small boats. These craft are now extensively used for special operations, coastal protection, harbor defense and assistance to marine community. The Inshore Patrol Craft Construction Project was renamed as Naval Boat Building Yard in 2018. Presently, it has complete facilities for on-site GRP boat construction and modifications. Its facilities are amplified by marine, electrical and electronics engineering skills as well as well-reputed engineering synergy, resulting better products. The Naval Boat Building Yard has been dedicated to provide its customers the highest level of quality service, by maintaining the highest qualities of system management. From the state-of-the-art ship designing, efficient hull manufacturing, ship powering, machinery installation, interior furbishing and ship safety regulations, this facility has the best technical expertise and qualified workforce in Sri Lanka to facilitate any kind of marine vessel requirement. Today, with a strong emphasis on continuous innovation and product development, this boat building facility has shown tremendous potential in assisting government's efforts towards becoming a developed nation, by making quality, performance-oriented new designs and constructions. Further, the yard is certified with ISO 9001-2015 certification, recognizing the highest form of quality management. The kayak boats are specially designed for amphibious operations. The purpose of building kayaks by the Sri Lanka Navy is to provide a small stealth platform for Sri Lanka Navy Special Boat Squadron, to gather intelligence in coastal areas prior to amphibious landings. Further, these kayaks could be used for pleasure rowing. Wave Rider Inshore Patrol Craft is an indigenous design 14.85 meters developed by Sri Lanka Navy to launch offensive amphibious attacks during the asymmetric sea battles against enemy. The craft has been designed with better seakeeping, seagoing and fighting capabilities. This craft with an outstanding ultra-shallow water operation capability has added a new dimension for Sri Lanka Navy history book to be proud of. The craft is powered by two 400 horsepower inboard diesel engines which could achieve 32 knots at full load. Cedric Craft is a construction of naval boat building yard of Sri Lanka Navy. More than 150 craft have been launched between 2006 and 2009. The concept of the design is to gain supremacy in shallow water and launch deliberate attacks on enemy small boat clusters, by outnumbering them. The craft is powered by two 200 horsepower outboard motors and has a maximum speed of 44 knots. This is the first ever luxurious passenger craft with an overall length of 15.9 meters built by Naval Boat Building Yard. The boat was completed within a short period of 3 months and launched on the occasion of the 59th anniversary of the Sri Lanka Navy on the 9th of December 2009. The craft is powered by two 350 horsepower inboard engines and has a maximum speed of 30 knots. The Naval Boat Building Yard has the capacity to build a fiberglass dinghy within a period of 48 hours. There are two types of FGDS manufactured at the Ensure Patrol Craft Construction Project, and they vary in lengths of 18 feet and 23 feet. After the tsunami, more than 20 FGDs were constructed within a short period of 3 months to help the affected fishermen. Another production of the Naval Boat Building Yard is the Lagoon Craft, which is designed to transfer passengers. 28 passengers could be comfortably accommodated, and the craft can achieve average speeds of 14 to 16 knots. Dolphin boats are specially designed for whale and dolphin watching purposes, as a pleasure-type craft. 7 passengers could be accommodated in this craft, and it is powered by two 200 horsepower outboard motors and has a maximum speed of 40 knots. Another eye-catching production of Naval Boat Building Yard of Sri Lanka Navy is the Enterprises class sailing boats used for sailing regattas. The boats are constructed under fine craftsmanship of skilled staff at yard to be lightweight and durable for adverse conditions. Meeting a timely demand, the Navy has ventured into building a catamaran hull configuration with indigenous craftsmanship. Better stability, teak wood deck, wooden furniture, bamboo thatched roofing provide the boat with an elegant outlook which is ideal for small functions. Craft is fully equipped with liquor counter, catering service, and entertainment, which includes television, home theater and calypso band, in order to provide effective services. .76 meters passenger craft is one of the latest designs by Naval Boat Building Yard. These craft are custom-made for Sri Lanka Land Development Corporation, to reduce the traffic in Colombo City. These craft could transfer 50 passengers and at full load could achieve a maximum speed of 10 knots. The first two craft were launched in 2019 to transfer passengers in Beira Lake. An ambulance craft was designed and fabricated with engineering excellence possessed by the Navy, as a part of its enormous contribution towards corporate social responsibility leading to nation building. This project enables islanders in the northern peninsula to reach city of Jaffna to fulfill their medical needs. The Naval Boat Building Yard built a research boat for University of Verona for the Faculty of Fisheries and Marine Sciences and Technology for oceanographic and research activities. The interior was specially designed for the earmarked task. The fast landing craft utility is a long necessity for Sri Lanka Navy for amphibious operations. Boat is designed much like a regular boat, but with emphasis on speed to allow her to quickly approach shores and disembark the personnel or cargo. This vessel is constructed to facilitate comfortable, safe and swift landing and retrieval. A modified version of craft was developed to transfer a light vehicle to be used by fast response teams in operations as well as rescue missions. Accommodation type Wave Rider Inshore Patrol craft is an upgraded model of the original Wave Rider Inshore Patrol craft, enhancing its endurance for a longer period. Sri Lanka Coast Guard and Seychelles Coast Guard are clients who have opted for this customized model. Rigid hull inflatable boat is a lightweight construction with high performance, improved stability with a solid-shaped hull and flexible tube at the gunnel. The design is stable and seaworthy up to Sea State 3. The boat can be used as a rescue craft, safety boat or dive boat. Its shallow draft, high maneuverability, speed and retrieve immunity to safety boat damage in low-speed collisions are advantages in this application. The craft could achieve a maximum speed of 30 knots. Another product of Naval Boat Building Yard is the passenger craft, which is designed to transfer passengers or naval personnel between islands, and for leisure activities. The craft is built with seaworthiness to ensure safer passage. The craft achieved speed of 28 knots with 31 passengers. This boat is manufactured at Naval Boat Building Yard for use as a flood rescue boat for Disaster Management Center. Boat is fully equipped with searchlight, megaphone, USB charger, siren with rotating light, first aid box and solar panel. The boat will have night rescue operation capabilities. Another production of Naval Boat Building Yard is the Fire Rescue Boat. This is a custom-built craft for firefighting purposes in year 2017, fully equipped with a firefighting equipment. The craft is currently being employed by Sri Lanka Coast Guard at SLN Mahawli.